Welcome, and thank you for joining us. This is VeterHealth Medical Timelines, powered by Resilient AI Solutions. We are a smart city data science company focused on using AI for social inclusion. This is our Phase 2 progress demo for the National Artificial Intelligence Institute Tech Sprint for Underserved Veterans. Do you know your medical history in case of emergency? On medical forms, do you write NA, scribble dates, or even say, see medical records? Keeping track of medical records is hard. With multiple moves, providers, and conditions, keeping track can become overwhelming. Medical doctors and claim representatives spend a lot of time each day searching through bloated medical documents for relevant events that will improve treatment decisions. Online solutions are overly complicated for providers, and veterans have to search through many pages to find information. We teamed up with Dr. Sanjita Agarwal, a medical doctor within the VA, to try to find out how we could solve these problems. VeterHealth is a web-based application that transforms your medical records and user-entered important events into a timeline that can be shared with providers. Using state-of-the-art machine learning and natural language processing, our application clusters important events and entities to arrange on a timeline for increased provider-patient communication for chronic illnesses. Our process is easy. A user uploads a document or an event, confirms or edits the cluster, and then we generate a timeline based on those events that you can share with your provider. Our application is built with state-of-the-art natural language processing. We start by transforming unstructured text to prepare it to identify entities and parts of speech. Hierarchical clustering is used to help deduplicate similar events, and BERT embeddings are used to help classify events. We use accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 scores to interpret model results. Scoring criteria for this tech sprint is significance to veterans' care, innovation, equity, benefits to veterans and the VA, and organization and professionalism. Our team started this project from scratch, and we're proud of the progress we've made so far. We're optimistic we'll meet our goals by the April 2nd, 2021 demo. Since the first milestone, we've made multiple iterations on our user interface and continue to do so. We've discovered a synthetic patient generator, and we've gained access to a large data set from Harvard filled with unstructured medical documents and annotations. We've moved from SPACY to Spark NLP and will enjoy the 80% increase in model training speed as well. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to continuing to work on this project. Now, please enjoy a click-through demo of our application. Thank you again for joining us. This is VeterHealth Medical Timeline Phase 2 demo. Here we have a welcome page where we allow you to continue as a guest or sign in. Basic name, email, password. Accepting our privacy agreement, and then continuing. Here we have an overview. We worked with our subject matter expert to try to make it as simple as possible, but we're still going through iterations. Here, these will have explanations on what type of events we can detect. After you sign in, your medical timeline is going to be here, along with the event view, document view, and adding or comparing documents. We brought it down to medical conditions, labs, medications, doctor visits, procedures, and life events. You can import more documents or add an event individually. Here I'm going to add that. And then it's added to the event view with it labeled labeled as a procedure. Thank you.